Namaskar, my name is Neelam Thakur and I am a vocational trainer of healthcare sector under VTP Skill Tree Consulting Private Limited. In this session, I will discuss about the topic goal setting strategies and smart goal setting strategies. After completion of this session, we will able to understand the importance of goals in life and to know how to set them. We will also able to know the reason why people are unable to achieve the goals. At the end of the session, we will understand the importance of setting goals and also we will be aware about the SMART technique of setting goals. First of all, I will introduce or define goal. What is goal? Goal is a desired result that a person plans and commit to achieve. It means गोल क्या है? एक हमारी सोच है, हमारी एक डिज़ायर है, हमारी एक इच्छा का एक रिज़ल्ट होता है जो हम पाना चाहते हैं और जिसको हम हासिल करना चाहते हैं और जिसको अचीव करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? प्लान करते हैं. नेक्स्ट है गोल सेटिंग. गोल सेटिंग यानी कि लक्ष्य निर्धारण. गोल सेटिंग इन्वॉल्व्स द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन एक्शन प्लान designed to motivate and guide a person or group towards a goal. गोल सेटिंग में क्या आता है? डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ एक्शन प्लान, जिसमें हम एक एक्शन प्लान तैयार करते हैं और एक्शन प्लान को तैयार किया जाता है लोगों को और ग्रुप्स को गोल्स की तरफ मोटिवेट करने में और गाइड करने में, ताकि वो अपने गोल्स को जल्द से जल्द और बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट अचीव कर सके. Setting goal is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, गोल क्या होता है? हम जो है एक डिज़ायर होती है हमारी, एक हमारा डिज़ायर सोच होती है, एक डिज़ायर रिजल्ट होता है. अब उसको अचीव करने के लिए दैट इज़ मीन्स वो इनविजिबल है, अभी हमें दिख नहीं रहा है, हमने सिर्फ प्लान किया है, हमने सिर्फ सोचा है. तो उसको विजिबल करने के लिए जो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप है, जिसको साबित करने के लिए जो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप है, वो होता है गोल सेटिंग. नेक्स्ट है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गोल सेटिंग, यानी कि गोल सेटिंग क्यों ज़रूरी है. यू कैन नॉट हिट द टारगेट यू कैन नॉट सी. आप तब तक किसी भी टारगेट को हिट नहीं कर सकते जब तक आप उसको देखना. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गोल सेटिंग, यानी कि गोल सेटिंग इतना ज़रूरी क्यों है. विदाउट गोल सेटिंग गोल पाना आसान है या मुश्किल है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट हेल्प्स यू टू प्रायोरिटाइज योर टास्क एंड मेंटेन योर वर्क एंड असाइनमेंट. इसका मतलब है जब हम गोल सेटिंग करते हैं, हमने एक प्लान तैयार किया हुआ है, तो वो प्लान जब हम तैयार करते हैं वो जो है हमें हेल्प करता है, जो भी हमें टास्क करने हैं, एक्टिविटीज़ करनी है, टारगेट को, गोल को अचीव करने के लिए उनको हम प्रायोरिटी वाइज सेट करते हैं. एंड साथ ही साथ ये हमारे वर्क को और हमारी असाइनमेंट को मेंटेन करने में भी हेल्प करता है. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंस है गिव डायरेक्शन एंड पर्पसेस ऑफ योर वर्क. इट मीन्स जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी हम टास्क करेंगे, जो भी हमारा वर्क है, उसको कैसे करना है, हाउ वी हैव टू कंप्लीट आवर वर्क एंड इन विच मैनर वी कैन कंप्लीट द वर्क. द गोल सेटिंग हेल्प अस गिविंग डायरेक्शन एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड द पर्पज ऑफ आवर वर्क. नेक्स्ट वन इज it helps you to motivate yourself. If you have a plan, you will motivate it time to time by seeing this plan. And in goal setting we have all the rules, direction, all the planning, all the managements which motivate us time to time so that we can achieve our targeted goal on targeted time. And last one is it helps you in making decision. If we have goal setting, it will have to make the decision which will be important or which will be necessary for the achievement of the goals. Next one is types of goals. Mainly I will explain here two types of goals: short term goals and long term goals. Other than this, there are also two type of goals: fixed goals and flexible goals. First of all, I will explain about the short term. Short term goals, as the name suggests, short term. It means for short duration. Short term goal is something you want to do in the near future. The near future can means today, this week, this month, or even this year. A short term goal is something you want to accomplish soon. It means in shortest time period, the goal which you want to achieve is known as short term goal. Next type of goal is long term goal. Long term goal means a goal that needs long duration to achieve. A long term goal is that goal which make a long time to achieve. It means the goal is a biggest goal, or the target is more we have a target which is largest or largest than others, which needs more planning, more setting and more time to achieve. Other than these two, I told you that we have two other goals: fixed or flexible. Fixed means the target or the goal which we can't change, in which we can make the change. The goal we decided, that will remain always the same. Flexible goal are the goals in which we can make changes, alterations as per situation, as per demand, as per feasibility. Goals are not just our target. It's all about thinking, planning, get started. It means we have to think, we have to plan, and we have to start to work to achieve goals. Next one is the most important thing: how to set goals, how we can set our goals. What type of strategy, what type of requirements, what type of planning we needed to set our goals. As I have already told you that setting goals is the most important target or most important activity in our life if we want to achieve our desired result, or if we want to achieve the brightest future or the brightest success that we have think or that we have desired sometime. Setting goal is a process. It is a process which include various steps, which include various points, which includes various instructions, strategies, plannings. In goal setting process, which is based on mainly of three steps. It means when we set a goal and when we are setting goals, during that process we have to follow three steps, and these three steps are deciding what you want to accomplish. It means first of all we have to decide that what we want, what we have to achieve, what we want to complete, what is our target, what is our desire that we want to accomplish. Second one is devising a plan to work with. When we are fully aware that what we want, what we have to do, what we want to achieve, then we make a perfect plan on which we have to work so that we can achieve our goals. And last one is when we have plan, when we have developed a plan, then we have to work on the plan to achieve the result you desire. To achieving the goal, we have to complete all the activities, we have to work on that plan, and we have to do all the activities or follow all the strategies which we have planned to achieve our goal. Next, in process of setting goals, what type of steps we take or what type of steps we follow. During goal setting, we have to consider or we have to follow some steps, some points, so that our goal setting strategy became more powerful and more effective, so that we can achieve the targeted goal in targeted time. First of all, in goal setting strategy, we have to follow the first step. First step is firstly we have to identify our goal. We have to understand, we have to aware about our goals, with what we want to do, what we want to achieve, what we desire. We have to fully aware about the goal. We have to identify our goal completely. After that, our second step, we set all the objectives, all the alternatives, all the points which help us or which help us in understanding the goal, which explain the purposes of goal to us, which make us to fully understand our goals and how we can achieve them and why we want to achieve them. Third step is list obstacle. After setting objective, we have to list down the obstacles which may occur during our journey for achieving the goals, or which can make delay, or which can create problem during achieving the goals, or which can affect the effectiveness of our goal setting strategy or effectiveness of our result. Next point is identify people. We have to identify sources, we have to identify the peoples who can help us achieving the goal, who can help us achieving our target, or who can help to make the journey for achieving the goal very smooth or helpful. Next step, fifth, we have list skills. We have to list down the skills, all the skills, such as communication skill, technical skill, non-technical skill, and financial marketing skill, all type of the skill, personality, green skills, basic skills, all type of skills we have to list down, which are necessary to develop, which are necessary to adopt, which are necessary to make those skills strong, so we can achieve our goal in effective manner. Next step is develop a plan. We have to develop a foolproof plan, a perfect plan, so we can achieve our goals. We have to make all the things priority wise. We have in during making a plan, we have to understand, or we have to consider the prioritization of the task, the importance of tasks, and all the activities, all the strategies we fully follow in developing a plan. And last one is list benefits. We list down the benefits of all the activities we added in our plan, and all the actions we have to do, or all the action we want to complete, or all the strategies we are going to follow, all the skills which we added during our plan, what are the benefits and what are the importance of our strategy, and why our plan which we have developed is important to us, so we can achieve our goals. Next is the most important SMART goal. If we have planned our goal smartly, or if our goal is smart, then our success will be smart or more effective. So when we set our goals, or during goal setting process, when we make the strategy, we make the plans, or we decided all the activities which we have to complete, we have to set the we have to use a strategy, that is SMART goal strategy. If we want to be smart, we want to achieve all our target, and we want a success person, our goal setting strategy will be SMART goal setting strategy. So I will explain what is SMART. Each word of SMART, each letter of this word SMART has its own meanings and explain all the strategy in it. First of all, as we know, spelling of SMART, SMART. S means specific, यानी कि खास. M means measurable, यानी कि which can be within limit or which can be access. A, achievable, it means which we can be achieve. R, realistic, realistic means relevant or reality based. T for timely, it means time limited or time bounded. Next, I will explain detail. Now, let comes to know about SMART goals in detail with some examples. Achieve greater success by setting. We have to achieve greater success by setting SMART goals. And how we can set SMART goals? First of all, S means specific. Write out clear, concise goals. Means first of all, when we started goal setting, we have to write out clear and concise goal. The goal must be specific. It not be irrelevant or it not be complicated. Our goal must be clear, without any doubt, and concise, not in detail. So we can achieve our goal without any confusion. Next strategy is M. M means measurable. Measurable means the ability to track your progress. It means we should have the ability so we can access our progress. All steps must be measurable or all steps must be accessible, so we can find out where we are standing, what we have achieved, what we have to achieve. All the strategies, which type of strategy we have used, their limits, their types, and how much we have been achieved or how much we can do. That is measurable. Next, SMART goal strategies include A for achievable. It means our goal must be such that so we can achieve it. It means we can't daydreaming, we can't set those goals which we can't be achieved or which is beyond our limits. Set challenging yet achievable goals. We can set the challenging goals. It doesn't mean that we have to set easy goals, but we can set challenging goals, but goal must be achievable. Goal must be achievable means we can achieve that goal. Next one is R for relevant or realistic. Relevant or realistic means set goals that are relevant to your overall life plans. Means that goal must be realistic, that goal must be relevant to our life plan. We have to set such type of goal, realistic goal, not artificial or not wrong or faulty goals. We have to set a realistic or relevant goal that is totally related to our life plans. And last one is timely or time limited. It is most important. Time management is most important in goal setting. Without time limit, without time management, there is we can't achieve the goal, or we can't success in achieving our goal on targeted time, or we will not know how or where we are going or which direction we are going, what type of goals we are achieving, how we can achieve, and the importance of goal. Most importantly, when we achieve the goal on time, or when we have a time limited foundations or targeted goals, when we have time management, then importance of goals is also exist. So time management in SMART goal strategies is most important. So last of in this session, let's conclude what we learn, what I explain you, what we have been discussed about the topic. In this topic, we overall discussed about the goal setting strategy, smart goal setting strategy. Goal setting is not just about identifying what you want to do or what you want to achieve, but also how you will achieve it. I have already explained you the goal setting is not related to one thing, that what we want to achieve. In goal setting, we came to know how we can achieve our goal and which strategy we can use and how we can smartly achieving our goal. Beginners require very short-term, easily achievable goals to boost their self-confidence, whereas the experienced individual need more challenging yet realistic goals. When a people is in starting stage, when he or she started, or he or she is at a beginner stage, he or she can plan the goals, smart, short duration goals, short term goal, so he or she remain motivated all the time and remain energetic, self confident. But the people who became experienced, who have achieved lot of goals, who have followed lot of strategies, and who are punctual, time limited, and who have achieved self and management, they can set challenging goals as per their needs, realistic goals and long-term goals. Overall, we have to always maintain our self-confidence, self-awareness during goal setting strategies. So I hope in this session I explain briefly about this topic, goal setting strategy. In today's life, we have to fully aware about our goals, because if we don't know what we want to do, what we have to achieve, what we plan to do, without this knowledge we can't achieve anything. Without goal, life is nothing. Life is blank. When we don't know the target, how we can choose our path, where we want to go, where we have to reach, what we want to achieve. All these are depend upon goal setting. If you want a successful, smooth life, if you want a smart person, if you want a successful student, then you have to set your goal smartly. You have to plan your goals. You have to plan your path. You have to plan your activities. You have to manage yourself. Without goal setting, every portion, every part, every activity of our life will remain meaningless. We have to set our goals so that we can know the purpose, the benefit, the reason why we are doing something, why we have to do it, why we have to achieve it. This is all about the goal setting strategy. Make your plans, set your goals, be smart, be successful. Be smart, be successful. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.